Hello YouTube and what's up everybody, the Max. Finally here, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has just come in Indonesia after pre-order. And today is the day what I'm waiting for after month by month to unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And if you want to see and if you want to know, just check it out. Yep, alright, what we do have here. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, a little bit different on the Pro side, and a possible contender for ultimate choice. So lift the top, and that's a Pacific blue. It's a blue and it's a tan lighting. The blue pops off a little bit more and it simply felt great when you're on the outside. By the way, we have our typical little slide here for silencing, and we have our power switch allocated. Power switch maybe house a fingerprint scanner to go the Face ID, and yep, here we go. What we got here, the iPhone, a cable, SIM tools, and a tiny bit of a paper. It's a very simple unboxing. I mean, there you are. There you have it. A pretty straightforward. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I love it so much.